Okay, so today we have this. Well, it has been trending since ago, and it's about this app known as HappyMod. And this app is not just an app. Well, at the past it was amazing, but now it has become chaos. Now we talk about it slowly and slowly until we get the main reason why this app is going like even that app literally destroyed my phone because I had games in there. Even I had games in this laptop from HappyMod because I was using BlueStack. So like BlueStack, you can play mod games because HappyMod is literally where you can install games and apps. So let's start with what's HappyMod. HappyMod is known as the app of mod apps. Example, let's say you have like this game known as example like Temporal, Subway Surfers, Talking Angela. So if you use that app HappyMod, you can install the games there, but now with full features. Example, you can get unlimited money, unlimited diamonds, unlimited tickets, whatever unlimited. It will unlock premium everything, which it was amazing to people.
You serious?
But at this very moment, the app, it's chaotic, super chaotic. Like I don't know how, and I don't know what's the reason for that app to be chaotic, because I was playing games on this laptop, like this game known as Hang of Sticks. I was playing that game smoothly until the laptop until when the laptop began lagging because I was playing smoothly, but the game lagged. Like even the laptop was lagging a lot. Even it was hard for me to shut it down, so that to do the hard way possible. Then I deleted the game, and also I had this other game known as Subway Surfers. I was playing that game. Even you saw the wallpaper, like my sister broke her record of 3 million. Not subscribers, the high score of the game. Anyway, oh by the way, don't forget to leave a subscribe. Please just leave a subscribe. Anyway, I was playing that game Subway Surfers again smoothly, and then the game lagged. The laptop lagged. It was hard for me to restart. It was hard for me to shut it down. So that I had to press the off button, like long press it and then to go off. Then I knew this one would cause a lot of trouble because a long time ago we used to play games with my sister with HappyMod, and I've never seen it lagging. I've never, because I'm very curious how. Because I've tried playing the game on my laptop, it's lagging crazy. Maybe now is the reason why my PC is slow, because I don't know why. Because now I'm trying to warn you guys. This app is not a joke. Maybe there are very, very, very hard things there. Pause. But to be very curious, but I don't know why. I'm not a fan of that app anymore, because I did some research yesterday, and the app, no offense, it's bad, really bad. The reasons are this. One, the app itself a long time ago was not yet known. Around 2016 to going upwards, it was known. Yes, it was known by people. People would download mod games on Asphalt 8, Asphalt 9, GTA on their phones, but now it became even worse. Because why? There are some apps which you could find they were good, and also they were bad, because some apps, even the mods, they were not working. But the key is this: the apps that they were mainly modded, but also they were also cracked. And even the apps, they had codes for the hackers. So in short, the app Alexa, for example, when you download an app from Google Play Store, there's a way the phone scans the app, and then it says that it's ready to go. So HappyMod never had anything like that. Like, it won't scan for the apps, it won't scan for viruses, etc, etc. HappyMod, there's some almost, and I'm not sure, like I would say 50% of the apps they had viruses, and the rest they don't. In short, to be honest, I will say everything, it was like that. I would say it, and I would say it. The reason, it almost destroyed my mom's phone.
Oh, hell no!
Like, my mom's phone was lagging. It wouldn't turn off. It was just like that. Like, it froze for almost an hour. 1 minute.
5 minutes later.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I went to check for the dogs because now they were barking. Anyway, as I was saying, the apps which you would download, they would be hacked. In short, hackers would spy on you with those apps. Even the apps, they will destroy your phone. Like, just imagine an app, just one app destroying your phone. Like, my mom's phone was almost destroyed. I was like, I'm going to be in big trouble. Like, I was even like, what am I going to do? Because I was shocked. Even I was out of words. But I tried my best to shut down the phone, and it was okay. And the first thing I did is to delete that game. I deleted it fast, because I can't remember, like, that game was literally my favorite game, and I told myself that I will download the modded app. I played for around 5 minutes, 5 minutes plus because I'm not sure how long because I know that I wasn't playing for a short time, but being very being very curious about this. It's not my thing. Well, I know this channel is about technologies, about phones, laptops, tablets, etc. But I had not come with this app about HappyMod. Just warn you guys because it will become very dangerous. No offense, because that app, I really don't trust it at all. At the beginning I trusted it, now I'm not. Like, I'm not and I will not. Because now I just feel a lot of pain because like I usually like modded apps like you have unlimited coins, unlimited diamonds, unlimited tokens, whatever, anything. Like like with all those, you could unlock any car, anything, anyone. Like on the games, like my favorite game is Asphalt 8. I would unlock each and every car. Like I would unlock each and every car. But now that game literally was about to destroy my mom's phone, so I deleted it like as soon as possible. Well, my mom, she's using a Vivo A18, so that phone is 2 gigabytes of RAM, so I think that's the reason, but I don't think so because my sister usually uses my mom's phone and I would be like, okay, you could use it, but I don't want to because I was almost to destroy it and I was about to regret it, but I wouldn't. But luckily it's safe and sound, but I'm recommending to you guys, don't use that phone. I mean, sorry don't use that app, HappyMod, because it will destroy your phones, trust me, because I've already experienced it, and it literally caused a lot of problems. Like I was 98% to be in trouble, but the best thing is my mom didn't know, so I tried like to be, even I don't know what to say.
Get out of here, man.
Anyways, let me tell you one thing before I end this video. If you reached at this part, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment down below if I've helped you to anywhere possible, because no offense, that app is going to be dangerous in your phones, in your tablets, in your PCs, in your laptops, in your iOS, everything, because that app will first virus, spywares, and even bugs. Well, not bad bugs like the bugs for the phone, like the stuff which in short destroys your phone, because literally the phone, it will just go away, it will just vanish. The phone is is nowhere to be fixed because maybe it will overheat your phone or turn it off. Anyways, other than that, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if I've helped you with this part of the video. Make sure you comment down below if it was helpful or not, and make sure to follow that my socials on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. If you're using Facebook, no offense, I'm not a guy on Facebook, but I decided to join. Anyway, I'm planning to reach at my target 100 and above, because at the very future, if I've reached 1,000,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway, hopefully, God willing. But I'm aiming for that. It will grow slowly because me, I'm always patient with everything except for tech, because I'm a guy who loves technology, and I also love music, DJ, mostly DJ because I usually practice, but mostly I'm a tech guy because me, I like technology, like laptops, phones, even making stuff from scratch, like that is usually my thing. Anyways, other than that, it was Voidy, and avoid the app. Please just don't use it. I'm not sponsoring it, just don't use it. Like, don't, like, literally do not, because it will cause a lot of damage. It will cause a lot of damage on your phone. Even viruses, even hackers can spy on your phone. Anyways, other than that, is a boy Voidy. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. You can share the video to those people who like using modded apps, because they will literally destroy your phone. You would just use you would rather use Play Store or Apple Store, because they are just apps which they are not made for modding, coding, spyware and viruses and all of them. But thank you for watching the video. Make sure to, okay, I'll say this around 3 times anyway. It's a boy Voidy, and I'm out. Bye. Goodbye. Have a blessed day. Enjoy the life. Life is short, but enjoy it with a lot of joy. Anyway, goodbye.
Toma, toma,